What's up, YouTube? CJ Cardio here. We're doing another Ryker. It's probably like our 5th one this month. Basically going to just show you the mounts we make and the speaker pods that we put on. So basically, it's the Kicker, because people ask me all the time. It's the Kicker KMTES. I think in my past video, I made a video and I showed you guys about putting them right here somewhere. Well, the problem with that is a lot of times we had customers where their knees, they might sit a certain way and their knees is kind of long or whatever. So what I did was I had a bike come in here not too long ago that had some mounts. Looked like somebody made some custom mounts for the bike. So I took it a little bit further and just made my own mounts, but kind of modified it a little bit so it could fit these speakers. But the mounts that I make, they can basically fit to any pod, or I could custom make them to any pod. So let's say I got these SSV Works pods. If I wanted to put those in somebody's bike, I could measure the holes and put them the way they gotta go at. Let's say these Wet Sounds pods. If I wanted to use these, I could make the mount fit these as well. So yeah, so that's the way I did it, and it's been working out. So these are the mounts that I make. Basically, it's measurements you gotta take from there to there, and then from here, from the lip here on up to the lip of this, and then you just screw it in. And let me show you this side that's completed, and this side is done. Everything, these mounts are made here. I do everything myself. I make them to each bike, but these are like, cut them out, do some other stuff, tap the threads, drill the holes, everything. Everything is like machine made here. Takes me about an hour to make. Take me about an hour to make two. And then that's how they turn out. So if I sit on the bike, your knees are, I'm about 6'3", 6'2", and my knees are perfect. I can still hug the bike and everything, versus with the old way, they would get put on and it's like you kind of had to ride with your legs open like that. So it's like, yeah, they sit there and they sit perfect. So I'm thinking about making a kit for these, maybe selling like the pods and the adapters together. So I kind of, I don't know how many of these bikes I done did with these brackets I done made, but I kind of got a measurement system down pat now. So like, I could probably just sell it to somebody and tell them, hey, drill, measure up this way and measure up. That's where you drill your two holes. Because the problem I was having, I was like, well, if I sell them, I know I'm gonna get them calls. Oh, I done drilled my bike wrong and all this other stuff. So I think I'm gonna sell these as a kit. And yeah. So stay tuned for more videos from CJ Cardio. If you like this video, hit like and also hit the subscribe button. Oh yeah, another thing. It's not mounted yet. I just got this side done. But yeah, that's how it look when it's done. Alright, bye.
We made it. No handout, we got up off our land. We had to go and take it. See too much, that's what we ate. Open big stuck.